ebusion for aha Ghana TVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusion for NPP, the New Patriotic Party, the party of intellectuals. I go through restructuring and reorganization. Now, in this reorganization, within this year, I'm at the various positions: polling station 4, electoral area 4, constituency 4, regional, then national. All of them, by the time you do December 31st, no, we get elections is all over, all across. Your general secretary, Bible list the various activities that are going to take place. Now, of all the activities that are going to take place, no, the very part I am in the part that I'm so happy about, the registration of members. Registration of members, and never party who say these are the number of people and them say, come what may, rain or shine, they identify with the New Patriotic Party and they would vote for NPP. Now, our registration, we said, some of the time, we might get it wrong. And we might get it wrong because obitimi wo ho ebia onye NPP ni. But otmi shara say oye NPP ni. Adentia opese under that yeah. So when you are in power, mostly very easy for people to identify with your party. So because it's a party or opposition, mostly there is basically not much cash flow. And see, that is when you get to know hardcore party members. Because almost everyone naturally, by instinct, will want to be running to NDC. Or on opportunities, or on appointments, or on ABI contracts and all those things. But this time around, the kind of mad rush I'm seeing, the way people are running and asking for when is it, when Dabena I start registration, no, infant I bet my registration, no, I can tell you, say, the spirit of MPP, the love for MPP is back. And it is this love, no, that is going to motivate Obi Bia or identify with Osono to work towards victory in 2028. Now, when you have people who are ready to volunteer on a scale on which we are seeing, our Mubisa informations and are even willing to even donate the little they have in their own pocket for the party, because Uber register one, dues. So people are willing, whilst we are in opposition, whilst there might be no appointment, whilst there might be no immediate benefit, to register with the party, to support the party financially. MPP for there, we know the future is safe, the party is coming back, and NDC better watch out because we are coming back into power come 7th January 2029. Inshallah, it's already established. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. Conversation is up next. Hi, Ghana TVGH. Cheers.
Then all the core region and international also get me half our forms now also wako. But the most important thing they say, we customer people when you are we are part of the decision-making body of the party. Kwana Kofa forms become a polling station or they say an electoral area executive. Nia kind of but when your membership, we say you encourage it. Around so Obian police station brochure for no small brochure but your baby I want to be NPP for registration.
But I can be business and say a brochure part ben or US part ben. Like the person who asked to be part of the away NPP in the US, what's the name? I mentioned the DNS is here now. Ben Brew, me pacho So we write for me the state or why not mean to find it appropriate help and farm out. Why? Or Bronx into New York. So then you are going to be part of the New York. So that chairman entry. I believe that chairman entry. I'll find a way to link you up. Opa jam a message or me inbox some me program now. I'll get you the help that you need. Said the sister Lenkai and you are membership in here. A brass will say your ma Ghana for ni be register. Edema aban oba Ghana for hotomo. Aban oba or jene or man for no make for any a school for any a dready for almost spare parts for him almost. Abanya oba on yen yimu entrese wonu ubi nefa wintima pamu we free ho. Name odi odo ema obi aye na adwuma esese oye. Sabi se 2024 abana wokoto ye no na ebia bibi nti ebufuo bi eba ye na eniame bi ananka we expect ya we hu nti na ma wokoye ya and then akoma we make decision na the oya wo double kra na abeka dia na o failing in 2024 no so because fan say 2024 na o complain say dollar ne bo high na say dollar ne kosoro however na utumeto but what you say and yes ya tete enuane so na nso kodwa so a untumento me akwasi a megina he ni menyansa akakra nyame de ma me de menim se ade ne bo eden na metumito na ade ne de ebo no wo fom na metumento a mepede ane bo eden a metumi ato no that means me purchasing power e wo high so what you say enu nti no for me mama yemomodin na yen register every member in our family if possible. Ye nuanom a ye ne omote gato ni ade wo ma ye ne omo wensa wo ma ye ne omote we base ni ade ye besre this time around we have to go into every corner, every space we can get to get people to come and work, to come and register for NPP because it says your advantage so Sunday at the fair nyankopon ekoye ma ye wo UPSA na ochwe Friday the ekoye no national mocks na echira said the love is gradually creeping back to NPP odono esen ababio and it will be better said now no ye be hihye one ya omabemu abuo obi owa op NPP asempa but on kan NPP membership need the here now face so especially polling station mesremo men jina social media so keken kasa okay men jina social media so keken kasa minua me pacho uye social media ni wo kasa we ni aye den no na upia wo ho so obekwa akwaji polling station executive BGB just preposition bi so Dr. Bawumia pa dia I believe say you want to be there to see what will make him win. And that will start from you polling station agents. Into no keke. This is the time you go and pick the form. Polling station, the crowd there for or the upper form no family to a 10 CD pe. Kofa form no na fail a 10 CD. And no kwa de kwesime to me 10 CD amount. Mesremu pi. Mo amowo pepa de ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia no amowo Ghana no. I said, I feel na yesu ya tere then monko police station on a kwan bibre da ho ye biemu say who esremo na fa wa ho den onim die wonyansa ne dia ewo mu ni nara fa be somosum kokurukwa amanyuku na yentumi fa mbo doctor echidom na yentumi fa nkoji nkunim no 2028 me dia me ye very certain me say me babubo videos bi wa me I'm telling you, say, if there is anybody who is certain, said Dr. Bawumia will be the president in 2029, it is me. And it's not say me I'm too complacent, there be. But we have told them say alternative name na omunjindi. And then the alternative na ba no mu say there be sa nanke yet na ye that there mu a nanke ye. Intinisi say NPP akoye Ghana yere dada no mbese abewa yen they said they are 9924 kan ye no me yere dada san bewa me ofoforo ba ye na de a wo ye ne manin ye ho wo kume enne kokofo se kufu ado san beware ye bi ewo ye sra wo de me ye nto aware ye so kekempo And then nurses force one better our so I will cook for a mem. One more kai, one more duffo. One more kai bear man, you know. One more kai papa, not sabu, and a dad is a Ghana, baboon be a education, and a Ghana for afe. Kakrebi, and a woman the him say, a year. Bomume, bomume for no more yan the dang, as I say, or no, no, DNA, tribal. On pass and to force them, on pack and force them, and no, they to aba. But one kasa a pagan can't quite one more politics, yes, no, their eyes are beginning to clear. Then the videos are made in the Haname born Haname no more discussing, no, Ebema Yehu, how this NDC people are. Nansana no. The me person me de start a year me programming a year cost ye nuanom koko for
Ye kobusa former Nigerian friends cardinal bi ananke ye ne pope.
Yeah.
Investigation with Nigeria ni wo fase a woni nam han wo kokunkum kotre. The ote ya say yes we cardinal Rome. And no na ma sa Nigeria ni na nya no. Yam fa no to nche. Unim say kwasi sa cars na o matoto no. NDC Forest. Womo kwa ombeto to cars no. Unim sa.
They are way on my crabbe, on beto.
I'm telling you, one beto amo na me dinyamidin so I've been telling you because he said Mama would never do anything good. Nipa de beka no. Look here. So Mama, the first time obaye, this guy has openly told the nation, say me intime nwi mame ho. One what they are watching said the ben a problem be about mama ba bontin at this work of friend crofo. Yeshia. PDM no magiji boom 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 boom. Who is investigating all these things? Che, woman say Coco. Na a NPP de ka ho.
I said no moka.
Yo, kwesi, se wo ko han dan. So wo ko dia de o. Wo ko han dan na wura dem ho. Mba so wutie.
Yetie ba.
Na dem ho fia, se no na wo ko to paint ho.
Tanete.
Na mu koto niema mono di begum. Dabi. Mura muna you were able to make money to increase
salaries and price.
Me pacho wutie me.
Metie pa daddy.
Good. And true baby, what say? Wo de e ka bi e da ho after say mo koto to cars ni wie ye. E na hu say NDC NPP e bo ka bi to sa atofo say no. Me say campaign e be next time so kro bia ye ton koko wo so NDC ba so a omo because that guy why yet said the do I say palpable a liar? Just say everything that comes from that boy as you tune in and say go and do this. Or no mama promise or my or no president na mekon.
Yeah, be
Na nye krono na mo pack ba e ye den na cocoa board for minister.
Yeah, but the question Ministry of Finance.
Kwasi?
Yeah.
TBM.
Aye.
Opuni 217 million no. Oko first can free fisheries so.
There be o.
Hefa.
Yeah, we cocoa board.
Good. Na ye den na wotu obi aboka. Na wo ba ye de wo no de ka ye ogina court no ba ya no.
Where you know? Where you know?
You see how NDC are toiling with the minds of Ghanaians.
Yes.
Kwasi, me say, Baumia onye careful. Because na me kind and says yet to say said the NDC 4 year attacking. Look here, he should come and rule. But obiara wadi kaprebia from Sami Jenfio 111 at the kwabia wo fa so bo kasa millions of dollars no. Eso okoshim. No more be money bill. Near the no court. Say ye jana, hallelujah. Ye nyana, ye be sound the money.
Yeah.
Look here, these boys don't fear people. Ask me why. Kwati would when you fi kama 81 Now,
Right.
me being no say, who are you? You can never ask somebody say who he is because who names will free castle. Alan Ejay, sa Trafalgar Square there war my friend saying circle honom no. Okay, sa politician bi na o ne car bi wa draw crab bi da ho no.
Me the that time na me share you na me nyam
Mate, yes sanko money actually.
that time na me
Me can say, kwasi se sa 270 million cedis na opuni koda mu wa change lawyer, wa say, wa change court way, wa the aba way, judge way nye, any ade sa politics are non play mo no. Me say until say we fetch them and discipline them, could ye yentimi nku omo. Be wo mu nyinara eso omo ye fast track high court.
Okay.
Kwasi, wo de minim so be ko Ghana. Me de ebia me ko wanse money beba. Because Ghana should never have mercy for these fools. Say yanchichu omo angum NDC would destroy Ghana. Odi opa asema meeting. Kwasi after 4 years. Cocoa gold enyane saga. Cocoa enyane saga. Very soon no electricity the eboboba no mo beti. Some discard to so.
Yeah.
And we are back here, Musa woman just can now, woman is cano. Almost one decide 1 cedi then on a gallon. And they solve the electricity problem. Oh, Ghana, a funny country. Because you would do for lights, much say, actually, show and Niama, the government is free. And Mama will smile. Me say, because he made Dinyamidi slow. Catch about me. Or qua uncle on the one quarter and castle no room man. But security wise said dear unyam because yeah what you share and then this foolish boy, what do you call him? Also we bempa was a bempa.
Ozu bempa.
And then there's what in some more worker.
Is
I want to hear.
And no, I'm a taste and now we all can't quite assemble, but no, no.
There be a young question. This guy's boss, and some watching me and sure, Miana Nenino, and mono and channel Miana, we are Nuejano. That's what Nantino Timikan in Abumwa. It will help.
But that,
finally, no.
Finally,
I also for now, or call my sermon, a Presbyterian,
yeah.
Obusa question be was say. You bet me in your way to be a friend abro English. And say a learned people were there, so Miss Omoye, media school no go and actually.
Abro a mischief, abro a mischief. All the back tree, I ordered back bro for my mischief. Yeah, I'll be mischievous. Yeah, I'll play mischief.
Was it Chief Uba Mudia, not just or your henny womb?
Yeah, I saw that mischief.
Canada, Japan, and his people. Morning NPP say you can never force a horse to drink water.
Yeah.
One more man, they should let go of them.
All right.
Namunyamu peace. Now, hey, Onyamu so obesi wina Israel for one more people. Na enemies. They fight themselves.
Branka, Oba told me.
In the metro, make us on Mount Josie and Niabre.
Yes,